Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Scotty here, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Bitch, I know I'm fucking late. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but the fuck, you still watching me though, so what's up? Anyway, so it's 11:45 right now. Today is December 24th, aka motherfucking Christmas Eve, bitch. Where have I been? I don't know, fucking your mom, fucking your dad. I need to stop calling around, guys. But anyway, yeah. I just woke up not that long ago, cause bitch, I got no school. School's over. I passed all my classes this past semester, guys. It's been a roller, Sorry about that. It's been a roller coaster ride, you know what I'm saying? Because, yeah, I almost fucking failed a class. Taking 18 hours with 6 classes was literally the worst decision I ever made. But your boy about to graduate in May. Ayy. Graduate in May. Ayy. Look at my motherfucking messy room. Ayy. College living, I'm about to graduate in May. Hey, hey. Sorry, it's a little dark, y'all. Oh, y'all like my living room? That's my living room. It's a little messy, you know what I'm saying? What's going on today? Today, I am gonna go pick up some gifts. I need to pick up 3 gifts for one for my aunt, one for my uncle, one for my cousin. That's literally the only 3 people that I'm giving gifts to. I already told everybody else that I wasn't gonna give them gifts because, first of all, I'm broke. Second of all, I don't know. It's just like, I'm not really into the whole Christmas giving out gifts kind of thing. By the way, just to let y'all know, I am going to Nashville from December 30th to January 7th. I have cousins over there and I don't know what the fuck's going on right here, guys. Literally, it was supposed to be up there, but it fell. I mean, it's kind of cute. Oh my god, hey, Tumblr. Ooh, y'all like my mirror? Look, this is kind of cool, you know? I bought that at like Home Goods. Hey. Oh my god, this is so Tumblr. By the way, if y'all hear a little rat in the background, that's my roommate. But y'all, I'm getting so distracted. Y'all want to be my roommate?
I wish I did.
Contour on fully, bitch. You about to snatch somebody with that fucking contour. God damn, bitch. Are you trying to be Wednesday Addams? Say hi to the vlog, Kathy.
Hi.
God damn, bitch. Don't be busting up the camera like that. Hey, should I dress cute today? What should I wear? Ouch, fuck. Oops, I just knocked down your notes. Are you doing your makeup while you're driving? You're crazy. By the way, guys, she graduated. How does it feel to graduate?
It feels like there's some student loan sharks coming for me.
Oh, relatable.
God, what are you drinking?
Coffee?
Wine?
I wish.
Oh my god, my home ปื้อน. Who?
My room is worse.
My forehead looks so black.
My forehead is black, but I like it like that. I like to look a little bit dirty, you know?
How late could we be?
I don't know. I'm leaving like around 2:30.
Your mom's house?
Yeah.
To go where?
To go home to sleep.
Oh, your work?
Yeah.
What time?
Tina gonna be there?
Yeah.
I mean, like after you not there. Like if we late. Like, cause I'm late and I'm always late.
Text her. See where she be.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna go pick up the gifts first because that's more important than my gym. This hair, bruh. Okay, I gotta get dressed. Yeah, that was my roommate. That was Adrian, my BFF. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, guys, and finish my coffee. And yeah, I guess I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day. Goodbye. I just got dressed. Here's my outfit. Not really wearing any earrings because I feel like it doesn't really go with this outfit. Yeah, it's just a little, you know, excuse the mess in my room, don't judge. So I have on some shoes that I got from Burlington. I don't even know what brand it is. I got this Polo Ralph Lauren button down, my gold Michael Kors, and some jeans from, I believe, either American Eagle or PacSun. Very, you know, frat daddy kind of outfit. I'm gonna go ahead and get going because, you know, I got a lot of stuff to do. Yes, I am going Christmas shopping last minute just because I've been so freaking busy after school. I've just been working, you know, working and just trying to catch up on some sleep. Like, I have a really like tight and strict sleeping schedule, kind of. I like my mirror. It's kind of cool, huh? All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get going. Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. Deuces. Sorry I didn't bring you guys along with me in the store. Just too many people. It's such a hassle. I actually was planning on vlogging in the store and just kind of like show you guys what I was getting and stuff like that, but too many people, and then like I didn't have a shopping cart. I don't want to carry shit around, but I'm gonna show you guys what I bought for my little cousin, my aunt, and uncle as well. Yeah, I spent a little bit of money, you know what I'm saying? Never really gave them like a legitimate gift, so I just kind of want to show my gratitude. Getting all this stuff out right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I have.
Okay, alright, so I'm in the house now. You guys are probably wondering, why am I getting gifts from my aunt and uncle and my cousin? It's a long story. It's kind of another video to get into, guys. Basically, you know, my aunt and uncle kind of raised me since I was 11 years old. My real family is actually in Laos, but basically they raised me since I was 11 years old and moved out when I was 19. So I've lived with them for 8 years, and I never really, like I said, I never really got them a legitimate gift. I was never able to afford these things. I wanted to kind of give something nice and meaningful, so I got my aunt this little Michael Kors watch right here. So this is what it looks like. I think she'll like it a lot just because she wears a lot of gold, and I've seen in pictures that my aunt wears like this one, like same watch with like a gold face with like a white band. So this is more of a dressier watch. I feel like my aunt would really enjoy this. Hopefully she likes that. Next thing that I got for my uncle is a watch as well. I think he has like a Fossil watch that he usually always wear. I got him a Boss watch. This is what it looks like. It's like, so it's like black and, not black, I meant like silver and gold with like a dark gray face. Yeah, I think he would really enjoy this as well. And then for my little cousin is starting to kind of get into makeup, as far as I know, because I see pictures. I've texted her friends. A lot of them got her like clothing items, and I kind of wanted to be different. So I kind of got this like this face brush. It's called Danielle Creations. I got her a Real Techniques brush. You guys will see why. I think Real Techniques is kind of universal. This is kind of like the basic for makeup starters. It's pretty good too. Good bristles. Next thing I have is this Anastasia highlighter glow kit. It comes with 6 shades. Can you guys see that? I feel like a beauty guru right now. You guys are probably like, how the fuck do I know how to, you know, talk about these makeup? I watch a lot of beauty gurus. I watch Tati, Desi Perkins, Patrick Starr, Manny MUA. I watch actually like a lot of YouTubers. Tati is actually my favorite. Comment down below if you guys watch, if you're a guy and you watch any like beauty gurus. I do watch them particularly because I just love the way like they talk about makeup, and when they create something on their face, it's like art. I don't wear makeup personally. I mean, I curl my eyelashes and concealer sometimes just to conceal my dark circles. So other than that, I don't wear makeup. I watch and learn how they promote their product, and especially when they have sponsorships, I watch how transparent these people are, and that actually teaches me something, you know, because I'm a public relations major and I'm like really interested into marketing and advertising and kind of, you know, brand development. Watching all of these well-known beauty gurus really helps me. The next thing I got is this Kat Von D contour palette or contour kit. Very well known, pretty high-end brand, kind of like the go-to contour palette right now. So I got that for her. She's 17 years old, I think 16 or 17 years old, by the way. This is my aunt and uncle's daughter. Her name is Justina. I think these are a great makeup starter kit. I did a lot of damage, guys, so that's kind of really all I've got and all I will honestly be giving for Christmas. I hope you guys like enjoyed this little Christmas gift haul that I just did. I'm currently waiting for Adrian to come. I think we're gonna go to like 2 of our friends' house and just kind of spend Christmas Eve there and see what's up. So I guess I'll keep y'all updated.
Tell us it again.
Another one.
Alexis.
Oh my god.
Eating noodles.
Yeah,
Open your mouth.
We're about to shotgun it here.
Alright. Hey! Oh, okay, be gentle with the car key. Be gentle with the car key. Be gentle with the car key.
Gentle,
And you hold it here. Close them up and open here. And
Yeah. So exciting. I know, but
น้อยสาวนี่ได้มาจากแม่เลยเนี่ยเบียร์ไม่ถ่ายไม่กินหรอ
ฮะ no
ไม่หรอพี่กินไม่ได้กินไม่ได้
กูก็มันบาดปาก
Which way we going? You ready?
and then open. When you open that, you stand up.
Your daddy?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go.
Merry Christmas on three.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, hold on. I drink this way.
After you pick 2 or 3, depending on how many total there are. 2 things. And then 2 things.
Yeah, well, that's like a whole new woman. Like, okay.
So I got like a good number.
Thank you. Where's yours at?
He was top.
Merry Christmas.
sipping on this Cabernet with me. One glass half full, one empty. One sack, one roll for you and me. And when I roll for you and me, it's open. I just show you the shit. She go up, she go up, down, new one blooms in the ground, now I got a bouquet. Leaving me picking these petals. She love me, not always. She show it, the sun always show.
Everyone thought we were a couple. We were cute as fuck.
Hi.
Hey
This
guys.
is Adrian.
Best roommate ever.
Hold on, what time is it right now? 12:02 right now.
It's officially Christmas. Merry Christmas, bitch.
Oh, Merry Chrysler. Merry Christmas.
Merry Kidman. Merry Kidman.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Kidman.
Chrysler. Well, anyway, so yeah, went to Carnivore. No.
Legends.
Legends. Went to Legends. Hey guys, so I just made it home. And I have a Miller Lite. How much you wanna fucking bet? I'm gonna do this bitch. Look, I ain't gonna even fucking talk about it. Bloop. I was trying to throw it up the stairs to the second floor, but look. I guess I ain't made it. Adrian, where you at? What are you doing? Who coming? I'm coming right now. Amy out, put a wipe on the song. I'm gonna tell you easy out. From the end to the start, you know me, Cardi B. Okay, hold on. You know me, Cardi B, pussy popping on a chart. Hey, you pick up the phone.
Got a call.
Shashang ain't picking up. Hey, my career taking off. It's a jog in the place. Sweaty toes on the mouth. Sweaty toes on the shit. Bitch, I ain't jerk. Okay, me out. Put a wiper on the stone. I'ma touch the easy out. You know me, Cardi B, cause he poppin' on the chart. Hey.
Yeah, I forgot what it was like, yeah, to come inside and stay the night, yeah. Deja vu is you is nice, yeah. If we do it right, yeah. And I think you were right, yeah. And I knew that I was wrong. You must have knew me all along, like how the